So hey everyone, I have a brand new gaming laptop. So I don't want to reveal the name of the laptop because I want my audience to stay in this video till very end so that they will know about everything about this laptop. Okay, so make sure before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and boom, back to the subscribe button. Okay, and I want to say one more thing. मैंने एक gaming laptop को already unboxing कर रखा है. So if you want to watch that video, then the link is in the description. Okay, so now let's talk about this one. Okay, so in this unboxing video, I'll be talking about what is the price of this laptop, about its performance, about its specifications, everything from scratch. Okay, and at the end I will also be telling you about the conclusion, whether you have to go with this laptop or not. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till very end so that you will be getting everything about this laptop. Okay, so let's get started with the cinematic look of this laptop. Let's get started. So well guys, I think you will got the idea about what laptop I have with me, right, by watching that cinematic video, right? So अगर अभी तक आपको समझ ना आए हो कि what laptop this is, then let me tell you this is HP Pavilion 15 gaming laptop. Okay, so let's unbox it and let's know what are the things inside the box. Okay, so let's get started. So well guys, let's know what are the things inside this box. Okay, so I've already cleared this part. So okay, so let's see. First of all, this is the charger. Okay, so this is 52.5 watt adapter. Okay, so charge speed हो सकता है, ठीक है? So ये सब तार वाला इसको मैं फेंक रहा हूँ, कोई मतलब नहीं है, चार्ज करते हैं हम लोग तब मैं इसे फेंक रहा हूँ, ठीक है? ठीक है? अब देखते हैं कि इसके अंदर जो मेन गेमिंग लैपटॉप कैसा है, ठीक है? So the first look, you can see here. Oh my god, इसे मैं फेंकता हूँ, ठीक, फेंक दिया, सीधा करता हूँ. सबसे पहले आप लुक देखो इसका कैसा है, HP पूरे एकदम प्रोडक्शन के साथ, ठीक है? तो मैं इसे अभी देखता हूँ बॉक्स में. सबसे पहले तो मैं आराम से खोलूँगा, ठीक है? So that कि ये हाथ से ना फिसले, इसे भी फेंक रहा हूँ. So देख रहे हो ना, अगर हाथ से फिसला तो. So well guys, let's unbox this one. मैं थाली जैसे recklessly open कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So wow, this is very cool man. Weight ठीक है, उतना भारी नहीं है as compared to other gaming laptop, ठीक है? So जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे पवेलियन का टैग है, ठीक है? पवेलियन लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, पवेलियन का टैग. And this is HP, you can see here the logo of HP is in the middle of the laptop. Okay, and you want to see the first look of the laptop, then make sure you hit the like button. Okay, so now let's see the first look of the laptop. Okay, so guys, hello, मैं दिख रहा हूँ? हाँ ठीक. So guys, let's know कि कितने ports हैं, ठीक है, इस पूरे लैपटॉप. So first of all, you can see here the SD card slot. ठीक है, if you use DSLR or any other camera, there you'll find a big one SD card. Let me show you this one, right? You can see here, SanDisk वाला है मेरे पास. Sorry, हाँ SanDisk वाला है. ठीक है, so you can use this one to this port. Then after that you'll be getting one headphone jack, right? Here you can see headphone jack. Okay, then after you will be getting here C port, and then after this is Ethernet cable. You can use Ethernet cable to put just like here. Okay, then after that you will be getting here one USB port, then after one HDMI. Okay, so this is the right portion of the laptop. Okay, so now let's check about left part of the laptop. Okay, so let's move on to left. So this is the left part of this laptop. Okay, so एक ही demerits है इस laptop की, like you get only 2 USB ports. Okay, so बस यही है. और if you want to see like charger, you can see here, right? अगर आप पीछे देखते हो तो ये फैन मतलब इधर से खूब भर के नाइट्रॉक्स निकलने वाला है. ठीक है, जब मैं गेम खेल रहा होऊंगा या कुछ भी काम कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ से खूब नाइट्रॉक्स निकल रहा होगा, पूरा गरम हवा. और बाकी बात एकदम प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है. ठीक है, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, पीछे भी पवेलियन का टैग, लाइक ठीक है, सब सही है. और अगर फ्लेज देखना तो ये देखो, फ्लेज थोड़ा मोड़ा फ्लेज है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, हल्का सा फ्लेज है. मुझे तो वैसा लग नहीं रहा, वैसे भी मैं तब भी बोल रहा हूँ कि हल्का फुल्का फ्लैश दिख रहा है मुझे. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स ओपन द लैपटॉप. लाइक आई वांट टू सी फर्स्ट लुक ऑफ दिस लैपटॉप. ओके, सो वेल गाइस, लेट्स ओपन इट. सो नाउ, सो एज यू कैन सी हियर, फुल प्रोटेक्शन के साथ इसे मैं फेंक रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट लुक ऑफ HP Pavilion 15 गेमिंग लैपटॉप. Okay, so this is 2021 model. Okay, so it comes with RYZEN 5600H and this is 4000 series. Okay, and its graphics is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. So this one is Ti version graphics. Okay, so and the graphics is 4GB and the RAM comes with 8GB. Okay, and you can expand it up to 32 GB. Okay, now I think, and one more thing, this is the 15.5 IPS full HD display. Okay, and this is 144 Hz display. Okay, now let's see. मैं open करता हूँ. ठीक है, first look. So here you can see the first look of this gaming laptop. Okay, so let me refresh once. You can see here I have uploaded 1-2 software already. Okay, so here you can see Premiere Pro, OBS Studio, VLC, like Zoom. There are various softwares are there. Okay, now let me show you this PC. This PC here. So if you go this PC properties, then you'll find everything about this laptop. Okay, so first of all you can see the processor AMD Ryzen 5 4600H, as I already told you, with a Radeon graphics 3.00 GHz. Okay, so this and after that installed RAM is 8GB, and this is, you can see the usable one. So this is about this gaming laptop. So I think this gaming laptop is pretty much good in this price segment. Okay, so if you want to know the price of this laptop, like if you want to know like how much I pay for this gaming laptop, then please ask in my comment section. Okay, then I will tell you there. And if you have any more query about this laptop, then you can ask me on the comment section. Okay, so this is for today's video. Okay, and I think you will got the idea about this laptop, like about its specifications, about its performance, like pretty much everything. Okay, so if you guys want to know the price of this laptop, then make sure you comment down below, then I will tell you there. Okay, मैं price यहाँ पे reveal नहीं करूँगा. ठीक है, and the best buying link is in the description. Okay, and if you still not subscribe to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.